Hi, this is Mark Dudley, and this is my introduction video for AEP 858. So, just a little about myself. I currently live in Lexington, South Carolina. I'm a social studies teacher at White Knoll High School. This is my finishing up my ninth year in education. White Knoll is a pretty large high school. We're in the largest classification in South Carolina, and we're a part of Lexington School District 1. I've been married to my wife, Mary, for 15 years, and my plan is to graduate the Educational Leadership Program this summer. As far as a critical reflection on our district and data, one thing that as a teacher we have to do every year is go through our student learning objective, and this is a process where we actually pull data from one class. We look at test scores, we look at discipline records, we look at attendance, we look at their background, and we kind of use that to project where we see the student finishing up the class. We actually give a pre and a post test, and using the data along with our observation of the class, we kind of have to predict where we see that class going. As far as my personal dealings with data, other than that in the district, it's very limited. The district does do some work with the EOC courses to see where they can improve test scores and things like that. But I've actually had very little experience with that. And again, outside of the SLO process, up until this point, up until this year, I had been in very few conversations about data. I'm actually a part of a cohort now where we're actually looking at different classes in the school and watching their progress and looking at students that are falling behind so that we can possibly predict the graduation rate and do some interventions for those that are falling behind. So we're starting to look more at that data, and this program is kind of getting me more involved in understanding it. And that's part of my plan of growth. The program that I am, the cohort I'm in, is called Leadership Academy. Is allowing me to start to get in more of these meetings, have more of these discussions, see the type of data that our administrators, that our district level people are looking at, and taking courses like this and being a part of those groups really will help me get the experience that I need and kind of get the understanding I need to be a better evaluator of data, see what I'm looking for, know what trends are, and be able to help either our students or our district understand how we can reach our students at a more effective level. And I think that that's one thing that I'm looking forward to in this class and through learning more through our Leadership Academy. Thanks for your time, and I look forward to learning from all of you.